Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how you can fix a slow performance of a PC after updating Windows 10. So if your PC became slow after doing an update for Windows 10, this is the video for you to fix that. What you need to do, you need to go to services, go to the search toolbar and type services. Services app will open, click on it. Here you need to locate background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. If you see service status running, you need to click on stop and then apply and OK. Then close it. Then here scroll down, go to Windows Update. You need to do the same with Windows Update. If you see service status running, click on stop and then apply and OK. In this way you will stop running these two services. Then remove it and go to the search toolbar again and type troubleshoot settings. Troubleshoot settings will open. Click on that. Here scroll down and go to Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. After running the troubleshooter, it may take a little bit of time. Then restart your computer and your PC will become much faster. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.